guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are having a super awesome, wonderful day. I know I am because it's almost the end of April and the blizzards are finally over here in the Northeast. As some of you may have seen in some of my other videos, I normally wear this Fitbit. There. So I have the Fitbit Charge HR and it has this little cover over it. And I have had this for about, oh goodness, 2.5 years now. I got it right before one of my trips to Disney World in college because I really wanted to count my steps and see how much I walked. But I actually exercise a few times a week and I try to eat healthy. I really like the Fitbit products. I know some people have had issues with them in the past. This is the only one I've ever owned. I know people who have owned 3 or 4 in 1 year. I've never had a problem, and I actually got this one used. I think a big reason this one has lasted me so long is because of this cover. Well, actually, I know it has, because you'll see on the back there's a rubber band. So this is my Charge HR when it's off, it's blinking. If I take the cover off, you'll see it's covered in tape. So I have some tape here, I have some tape here. It's kind of gross looking. See the tape. So the reason there's tape is because this part on the back right here is what holds the charger in. There's actually a plastic plate on top of where you plug the charger in. And that broke one day and I couldn't charge the Fitbit at all. Anyways, putting this little cover over it, you'll see, makes it look pretty. So I enjoy my Fitbit. I've been running more. I've been going to the gym more. I thought, treat yourself. For those of you that watch Parks and Rec, you'll know I say that. Ever since I watched Parks and Rec, I just anytime I buy something for myself, I'm like, treat yourself. And then I feel immediately better about it. Just me. Okay. I bought the Fitbit Versa. It is the newest Fitbit. It actually is supposed to be kind of more of a rival to the Apple Watch. I don't own Apple products, so I don't have an Apple Watch, but the look of them with the square and the more silicone kind of band. And I am not a smartwatch person. I really don't I've never owned a smartwatch. I like how this gives me notifications when I get calls, but really that's it. And I actually was really torn between getting the Charge HR2, which is the newer version of this. It's prettier, has a bigger screen, has some additional features, and the Versa. And I ended up going with the Versa because I just wanted to try something different. The Charge HR is super reliable. It's a really nice fitness tracker. I've never had problems with it. I really like the app. I can check the website online. I really, really like it. However, this one was getting old. The Versa looked pretty. I wanted to try something different. I can return it in a few months if I don't like it. But I figured, why not? I'll try something more. So I am going to I haven't even opened the box yet, the box that came in. I'm gonna open the box. Ow, of course I break my nail. Ow. Okay, we're gonna try this again. Okay. Ooh, oh, I got the pink. I forgot to tell you guys that. Oh, this is cute already. So this is the box. Oh, here. So I got the pink, I wonder if it says exactly what color. Peach band. Peach band, rose gold aluminum case. There it is, that's what it is. The cool thing about this too is I had to get my Charge HR in either a small or a large. And this actually comes with the small and large bands together, which I think is actually really cool. So the box looks really nice. Kind of looks comparable to the other Fitbit boxes. And it's actually kind of big. Just gives you some information on the back. So let's open it. Okay, let's see if I can. Oh, there's a tab to pull. Okay. So it actually slides out here. This little box with the Fitbit logo. You can see it shining. Oh, I match. Huh? How was that planned? Okay. Dun da da da. Oh, this is cool. Oh, this is a nice little opening at the band. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, guys, look at this color. Look at this really pretty color. Let's open the rest of the box here. This just shows you some pictures of people using it. Okay, so this tells you, like just a quick start guide. It tells you what should come with. Okay, so the small band is on it, but the large says it comes with a charger, and it tells you how to switch out the bands. You have to like slide a pin out. See this? It shows the picture of the charger and the picture of the large band. So if we just lift this up, you'll see, okay, here, here's the, okay, so the large, it's just like the one side. Okay, got the large band, and then it's got a charger, and it's actually a dock. Actually, you don't have to take it out of the band. It has places for the band to sit. That's pretty cool. Awesome. Okay. So let's take a look at this. Anyone that actually knows me knows that I hate taking protective films off. They get me sad, but here we go. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, it's really, okay, there we go. Ooh, it just turned on. Oh, to start, download the Fitbit app. Oh, I need a phone for this. Okay, so we have the Fitbit app. So my Fitbit app, I just hit set up a device. We're adding a new device. It gives me a list of all the Fitbits. So the first one on top, Versa. Just gonna hit that. Set up your Versa. I would love to. Okay, so it turns out my Fitbit app is actually out of date. So, okay, so while the Fitbit app is updating, I'm gonna put this on my arm. Okay, so the small actually fits. So for comparison, I have the large Fitbit Charge HR, and I'm putting the small band on, and it actually like fits pretty well. It's about halfway through. Set aside 30 minutes for setup. Keep this charging while it sets up, and make sure you have Wi-Fi. First impressions. Okay, this is a lot heavier. Not a lot, but the Fitbit Charge HR, the weight's kind of evenly distributed because it's all kind of uniform size, but this part's really not heavy. I can feel the weight of this portion here. And it's not too heavy, but it is a little bit to get used to versus this, whereas I kind of don't really feel this because it's all uniform. The band is really comfortable. Smooth, it's pretty. I really like this color combination with the rose gold and the peach band. Again, I'm wearing the small, and I can actually turn it all the way around on my hand just fine. In my Charge HR, I have the large, and it's been stretched over time. I will say that with the Fitbit, whatever material these are made out of, it does get stretched over time, because I used to have to put the band almost toward the end, and now I actually have to have it on the second to the last one, or else it doesn't stay. So, just kind of how the Fitbit bands work. But overall, first impression, this looks pretty. The bezels are a little big on the screen. You can see. Bezels are kind of big. See it in the glare, but it feels really nice. It looks pretty. I'm really excited to start using it. I hope you guys liked this video. I just kind of wanted to give you a quick glance at the new Fitbit Versa, and coming from someone who's used Fitbit products for a little over 2.5 years now, just give you my honest take on my first impression of the Fitbit Versa. Overall, I like it. I like the feel. I like the look. It looks good. It doesn't look as much as like, I mean, this is not very stylish. Let's be real. But I like this one a lot. This one definitely looks a lot more slick, more nice on my wrist. And it's really nice that the bands are interchangeable, because that means you can change them out to other colors, other sport bands, other leather bands, other fashion bands, whatever works for you and your outfit and your style choice. Totally up to you. So if you guys like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel to see more videos. I have fun things planned for the next couple months coming up. Bye guys!